Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal account in Saudi Arabia. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Click on the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner. You will then be prompted to choose between a personal account or a business account. For most individual users, selecting the personal account option is appropriate for everyday transactions. Next, you will provide your personal details, including your full name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure your name matches your official identification documents to avoid future issues. Remember to create a strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Then, carefully read and accept the user agreement and privacy policy before continuing. Now it is time to link your financial instruments. You can choose to link either a Saudi Arabian bank account or a debit or credit card. PayPal will send a small, refundable deposit, typically less than 1 Saudi riyal, to your linked account. This transaction includes a unique 4-digit code that you will need to retrieve from your bank statement online or through your bank's mobile application. Finally, log back into your PayPal account and enter the 4-digit code from your bank statement to complete the verification process. Once verified, your account is fully active and ready for use. You can now confidently send and receive payments, shop online with ease, and manage international transfers, enjoying the convenience and security PayPal offers across Saudi Arabia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.